Starting around 07 April 2024, Cardano basically is exchanging at $0.5 on 1948 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of 23% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. ADA truly has a sort of all-out market cap of $21,175, 602, 549 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $273, 520, 160, or so they generally thought. This sort of makes Cardano ADA by and large positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, or so they really thought. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano really be somewhat worth in 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Is Cardano an especially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Will ADA cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they most certainly thought? These generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA value sort of is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of $0.7704. The normal pretty least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $0.74 and 14, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, ADA can fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.86 and 23, showing how might ADA cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA value expectation April 2024. The cost for Cardano in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $504 and $62.57, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $0.6084, which sort of is very critical. Cardano value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around a kind of least of $0.695. Most certainly further appearance how Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 is per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost truly is supposed to really cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.7704. The normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be $0.7414 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano cost can truly arrive at an especially limit of $0.65 and 62 with a typical cost of $0.6327 in USD, which is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value expectation June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Cardano cost fundamentally is figured to basically arrive at an, in a real sense, the most reduced cost of $0.60 or so they basically thought. The ADA cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.68 and 78 with a fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.64 and 53. Further appearance how in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano basically be in every practical sense, worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way? ADA value gauge July 2024, the Cardano estimate for July 2024 expects that the ADA may sort of arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.7136 with a by and large least cost of around $0.64 and 80, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ADA can sort of stretch around $0.6 and 712 for July in a quite huge manner. Cardano ADA value expectation August 2024. The cost for Cardano in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $65.56 and $1.74 and 72 in a truly significant manner. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.68 and 46 in an unpretentious manner. ADA value estimate September 2024. The Cardano gauge for September 2024 expects that the ADA may for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.7745 with a really least cost of around $0.6830, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Discussing the exceptionally normal value ADA can essentially stretch around $1.70 for September, showing how ADA value conjecture July 2024. The Cardano figure for July 2024 expects that the ADA may in a real sense arrive at an all things considered greatest worth of 0.71 yen 36 with an extremely least cost of around 0.6480, or so they sort of thought. Cardano value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Cardano could essentially stretch around 0.8030, which certainly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in October 2024 is 0.6972 with a very normal cost of 0.7262 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is gauged to be at around an especially least worth of 0.7263 incredibly. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of 0.83 to 21 with the especially normal exchanging worth of 0.7552 in USD, which really is very critical. ADA value estimate December 2024. The Cardano figure for December 2024 expects that the ADA may basically arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.86023 with a sort of least cost of around 0.7414, which certainly is very critical. Discussing the sort of typical value ADA can sort of stretch around 0.17704 for December. Most certainly further appearance how ADA in every way that really matters, has in every practical sense. Complete market cap of $21 175 602 549 with the 24-hour exchanging. Volume of $273 520 160, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost basically has shown a generally excellent increment of 283% in the very most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. Cardano, for the most part, is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. Extremely further appearance how Cardano ADA value expectation August 2024. The cost for Cardano in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.6556 and $0.7472 in a by and large significant manner. The ADA for the most part is down to nearly 806% in the kind of most recent 7 days, showing how these explicitly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which really is very huge. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could for the most part have sought areas of strength for in any case. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment. Especially further appearance how ADA value conjecture December 2024. The Cardano figure for December 2024 expects that the ADA may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.2623 with an extremely least cost of around 0.7414 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value estimate 2024 fags what will really be Cardano in every practical sense, worth in